Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maximum Math Games. Today we have a very interesting problem for you. This problem is called Make 6 with 3 identical digits. You have to use any symbol but using 3 identical digits, that is using 3 identical zeros, ones, twos, threes and so onwards. You have to make the equation equal to 6. Now there are some rules to this puzzle, so now let us check out the rules. Now there are rules to this puzzle, let us check out the rules. The first rule is you can use basic mathematical operations such as BODMAS or even factorial. Secondly, no extra digit can be introduced. That is, you cannot use cube root of x because that will make this 3 appear and this is an extra digit that you have introduced, so this is not possible. And next, but under root of x is allowed. Because of under root x, you don't have to write 2 over here because that is implied. Okay, so under root of x is allowed. Now, and lastly, you cannot use the not equal to sign. Alright, so now let us get started. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out this solution. Now, to solve this question, we are going to divide this question into smaller segments. So the first segment will be this one represented by the green color, the second segment, third, fourth and the fifth segment. Okay, so we'll start with the first segment. Now let us get started. So the first segment, 6 equal to 6. Okay, there can be more than one methods by which these questions can be solved. Now these are the simpler ones. So we use 6 plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay, this is method number 1. And secondly, one of my students gave me a brilliant method, and that was 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. So the argument he gave was, sir, we cannot use the not equal to sign, but there is no restriction on the equal to sign. And I thought that was a fair argument. Okay, so this is another solution for this question. Now let us check out the other questions. Now let us check out the other question. Now we have 5 is equal to 6. We observe that 5 plus 1 will give us a 6. So we write 5 plus, now we have to make 1. And 1 can be made very easily by just dividing 5 by 5. And hence we get 5 plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 6. And similarly, the other question is pretty simple. So we say that 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6. So 7 minus 7 divided by 7 will be equal to 6. Now let us check out the other questions. So we have already covered these. Now let us check out the section number 2. So we have 2 is equal to 6 and 4 is equal to 6. One of the easiest method is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Alright. And secondly, we already told you that we can use the factorial signature. Okay, factorial sign, and we know that 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. Now if I can make a 3 using these 3 identical digits, then its factorial will be equal to 6. So I can write 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And when you put a factorial, so we get 3 factorial which is equal to 6, and this is the alternative solution to this previous question. Okay, and now we have 4 is equal to 6. Now 4 is nothing but 2 square. So under root of 4 will be equal to 2. So I can change this question to under root 4 is equal to 6. And now I can use these two solutions for this question. So I can simply write under root 4 plus under root 4 plus under root 4 is equal to 6. This is solution number 1. Next, under root 4 plus 4 divided by 4 factorial will be equal to 6. And lastly, if I can make a 3 using these 4s, then there is one more method, and that is 4 minus 4 divided by 4 will be equal to 3 and 3 factorial will be equal to 6. So these are the three solutions to this question. Okay. Now let us proceed further. Now we have 3, 3, 3 equal to 6 and 9, 9, 9 is equal to 6. Okay. Now one method is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So this is solution number 1. The second solution, as we told you earlier, that 3 factorial is equal to 6. So we can simply write it as 3 factorial into 3 divided by 3 is equal to 6, and this is the solution number 2. Now again 3 factorial plus 3 minus 3 will again be equal to 6, and lastly 3 into 3 under root, that is 9 under root, which is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So these are the 4 solutions of this question. Okay. Next question, 9, 9, 9 is equal to 6. Now all I can do is I can replace these 3 by under root of 9. So the first solution will be under root of 9 into under root of 9 minus under root of 9 will be equal to 6. Second solution, under root of 9 factorial into 9 divided by 9 will be equal to 6. Next, under root of 9 factorial plus 9 minus 9 will be equal to 6. And lastly, under root of 9 into under root of 9 whole under root plus under root of 9 will be equal to 6. So these solutions are nothing but a modified version of 3, 3, 3 equal to 6. Alright, let's move on. Now we have covered these and this. Now the next questions are 1, 1, 1 equal to 6 and 0, 0, 0 equal to 6. And to solve that, we are again going to use the factorial method. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 factorial is equal to 6. Then all you need to do is 1 plus 1 plus 1 factorial will be equal to 6, and this is the solution to this question. Okay. Now next question we have 0, 0, 0 is equal to 6. Now 0 factorial you must be knowing is equal to 1, and hence I can write it as 0 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 factorial is equal to 6, and then 0 factorial plus 0 factorial plus 0 factorial is equal to 3. Whole factorial, that is equal to 3 factorial is equal to 6, and this is the solution to this question. Okay. Now moving further, we have last two questions, that is 8, 8, 8 equal to 6 and 10, 10, 10 is equal to 6. Okay. And now there are again more than one method by which these questions can be solved. Now the first method, we need to observe that 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So if I can make a 2 using these two quantities, that is these two 8s, then my question will be solved. So I can write it as 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. This 2 can be written as under root of 4, which can be written as under root of 16, and which can be written as under root of 8 plus 8, and hence one of the solutions will be 8 minus under root of 8 plus 8, and that is equal to 6. Okay, so this is solution number 1. Now for solution number 2, if I can make a 9 using these quantities, then I can put a under root on it and we can get a 3, and then 3 factorial is equal to 6. So 8 plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Just put a under root on top of it. We get under root 9, that is equal to 3, and then put a factorial, that is 3 factorial is equal to 6, and this is the second solution to the above question. Okay. Now let us check out the other question, that is 10, 10, 10 is equal to 6. Again, if I can make a 9 using these quantities, then the question will be pretty much solved itself. So this will be 10 minus 10 divided by 10, that is 10 minus 1 is 9, under root of 9 is 3. 3 factorial is equal to 6, and this is the answer to this question. Okay, I hope you have understood all of these concepts. Thank you.